Hello, welcome to Apsana classes. Today in this video, let's know what are the factors that is affecting the Q point. So before knowing the factors that affect the Q point, let's know what is a Q point. So we know that in a transistor which is operated as amplifier in active region, we get the characteristics at output. So between VCE and IC. So the line joining IC and VCE at zero signal voltages is nothing but a DC load line. DC load line. So the points that we obtained are VCC comma 0 and 0 comma VCC by RC. So let us assume that we have the Q point here, where this Q point is operated in a such a way that we get output. For example, we give the transistor as input like this. To obtain the output in an amplified manner without flipping or positive or negative peak of the signal, we have to choose operating point very selectively. So at this time we get two quotient values. So ICQ and VCEQ. So what is a Q point? The zero signal values of VCE and IC of a transistor is called the operating point of a transistor. So in which way these Q points shift upwards and downwards? As we have the three factors, those are ICV0. So this is the magnetic charge carrier current which is flowing in the transistor. So it is increased by temperature. So for every 10 degrees Celsius, that the value of ICV0 will double. And what are the next factor? That is VBE. So base emitter voltage which decreases about 2.5 millivolts per degree Celsius. And another one we have, that is transistor current gain, that is a beta factor which increases with rising temperature. Why so? Because we know that IC is equal to alpha I beta E plus IC B naught. So if we increased, and one more, beta is equal to B. Yes. So according to these factor, if temperature is increased, then this leakage current will increase, which further causes increase of this beta. See, if the temperature is increased, then ICB0, leakage current will increase. If leakage current is increased, then IC will increase as it is directly proportional. So if it is increased, leakage current is increased, then IC current will increase. If this IC current is increased, then this beta factor will increase. Here that beta factor is nothing but our current gain. So current gain is increased by temperature. So these are the three factors which affect the Q point, where we get distorted output. So this is about factors affecting the Q point. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.